Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly valuable for your career growth, a skills gap analysis. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for a promotion or a job seeker looking for that dream job, this guide is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Nelleke with Neeljym Search Group. First off, what is a skills gap analysis? Simply put, it's the difference between the skills you currently have and the skills you need to land you your dream job. Think of it as your roadmap to achieving your career goals. It helps you understand where you are today and where you want to be and the steps you need to take to get there. Knowing your skills gap helps you focus your job search on roles that are in line with your strength and where you can easily upskill. By filling skills gaps, you can become a more valuable asset to your employer, increasing your chances of promotion or landing that job that is next on your career plan. Gaining in-demand skills can lead to higher salaries and better job opportunities. When your skills match the demands of your job, you're more likely to feel fulfilled. Let's get into the nuts and bolts. How do you actually do a skills gap analysis? I'll give you a quick overview. First is self-assessment. Honestly, evaluate your current skills and knowledge. Consider your strengths, weaknesses, and areas where you want to improve. The second step is doing job research. Look at job descriptions of the dream jobs and compare the required skills with the skills you currently have. This will show you your gaps. Websites like LinkedIn and Indeed are great resources for this. Then do an industry analysis. Stay updated on industry trends and emerging technologies to understand the skills that are in high demand or may become in high demand. Look for feedback. Ask for constructive feedback from mentors, colleagues, or former supervisors. This can show you areas that you may have overlooked. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to bridge them. Commit to lifelong learning through online courses, workshops, certifications, or attending industry conferences. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and LinkedIn Learning offer a variety of courses tailored to various industries and skills levels. Yes, again, networking is crucial. Build relationships with professionals in your desired field to gain insights and learn about new opportunities. Attend both virtual and in-person events, and don't forget to network in everyday life. Check out our video on how to network like a real person. Volunteer work can be a great way to gain practical experience and develop new skills. Many organizations offer opportunities to work on projects that can enhance your resume. And while you're at it, you're networking again. Look for a mentor who can provide you guidance and support. Mentors offer invaluable advice and help you create a roadmap for your career. After all, they've been there. Consider taking on some new responsibilities at your current job to gain new skills. Lateral moves can provide exposure to various aspects of the business and expand your skill set. It's important to identify projects that align with the skills you would like to gain, and then take the initiative to lead and contribute. Did you know that project management and leadership skills are highly transferable and valued across most industries? Learn about AI concepts and tools to stay competitive. Understanding AI and its applications in your industry can give you an edge in an increasingly automated job market. Understand how automation impacts your industry. Staying ahead of the automation trends can make you indispensable to your employer. Does this sound too complicated? Don't worry, we've created a simple-to-follow skills gap analysis workbook. It's a step-by-step guide, and it includes worksheets for each part of the skills gap analysis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. The Best Way to Hire, where we teach you how to find talent or job hunt like a professional recruiter.